Well guys, got all my new parts installed. Got the super stainless steel pull-start cable from Killer RC. Got an ADA Racing isolator block, tall, running a DDM Racing velocity stack. I got the R2C air filter, running full force shock covers, Jet Pro dual bleed pipe. We got the Snappy RC grommet with full force racing tubing and their high flow grommets. Got the tank lead. Just finished tuning them up. Sounds pretty good. Can't wait to rip them this weekend. I'm probably going to do it on Facebook Live. This is an update video. And pretty soon the stock 30 is going to be coming out of it. And I'm going to be running an OBR 34cc full mod reed. It's going to be about 10.5 horsepower when it's completed. Got the Stern CNC belt drive on it. Running an HPI Baja 8,000 RPM clutch. Just got the paper and the shirt on him so that way he doesn't get it all over my fresh and clean covers. But he's going to be ready to rip this weekend. Alright guys, stay tuned. Lake Racing Motorsports coming at you.